Hello everyone, how to tools back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can hide your talk time on your profile. For example, other people will able to see you how much time you talk in Hilokal. Okay, but if you want to hide those things, then other people aren't able to see this. So how can you do this? Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn how to do this. So here you can see it's called home page. Sorry, it's called profile page. This option, right bottom corner on the screen. So simply click on that, and then it's the profile page. Then you can see the option settings. Simply click on settings. Once you click on settings, then scroll down a little bit. Then here you'll see the option show talk time on your profile. It means that how much time you talk, other people will able to see this. But if you click it, then it's hide now. It means no one able to see that how much time you talk. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching the video.